The Difference Between Instinct and Intuition by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The concepts of instinct and intuition are sometimes used interchangeably, and confusion between the two often arises. While both terms refer to a type of internal guidance, the nuances between them have not always been clear. Instinct and intuition can be described as natural human processes that inform our behaviour, but they differ in their origin and manifestation. Instinct can be defined as an innate and automatic response to environmental stimuli. Humans share many instincts with the animal kingdom, such as fear, hunger and attraction. These behaviours are hardwired into our biology and usually do not require conscious thought. Instinctual behaviours have evolved over time as survival mechanisms, allowing us to respond quickly to potential threats or opportunities. Examples of human instincts include the fight or flight response, a mother's instinct to protect her child, and the desire for social bonding. With regard to social bonding, H.P. Blavatsky, in an article entitled Recent Progress in Theosophy, published in 1890, refers to the instinct of brotherliness. With regard to the survival instinct, H.P. Blavatsky says in Karmic Visions, published in 1888, "One day an arrogant and boisterous enemy threatens the father's kingdom, and the savage instincts of the warrior of old awaken in the soul ego." Intuition, on the other hand, is a more complex phenomenon. It can be described as an unconscious cognitive process that draws on an individual's past experiences and knowledge. Intuition involves tapping into deep-seated feelings and trusting or not trusting one's instincts about a situation without necessarily understanding why. Unlike instinct, intuition is not necessarily universal and can vary between individuals. Everyone experiences intuition differently, but most people describe it as a gut feeling or a hunch. Intuition can be applied in a variety of situations, from creative problem solving to decision making. In Le Phare de l'Inconnu, The Beacon of Light, published in 1889, H.P. Blavatsky says of intuition, "The infinite cannot be known to our reason, which can only distinguish and define. But we can always conceive the abstract idea thereof, thanks to that faculty higher than our reason, intuition." In an article entitled Genius, published in 1889, H.P. Blavatsky speaks on intuition in relation to superstition. She says, "Superstition becomes not an unreasonable feeling of half wonder and half dread, mixed with admiration and reverence, or with fear, according to the dictates of our intuition." While instinct and intuition may appear similar at first glance, there are key differences between the two. Firstly, instinct is biologically determined and has evolved over time, while intuition is a learned cognitive process that operates on a subconscious level. Secondly, instinctive behaviours are typically straightforward and easily understood, while intuitive feelings are more complex and can be difficult to articulate. Finally, instinct is usually immediate and automatic, while intuition may take time to develop and come to fruition. In summary, while instinct and intuition share some basic similarities, they differ in their underlying biology and cognitive processes. Instinct is an evolutionary adaptation that allows us to respond to environmental stimuli, while intuition is a learned cognitive process that can be honed over time. Understanding the differences between instinct and intuition can help us better understand our own behaviour and decision-making processes.